Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a technical drawing of this part. For the part modeling, you can find the link below to follow the tutorial to model it. First, we need to exchange the workbench from the part design to technical drawing. Next, create a new page. The template of the new page is empty landscape. And we can go to Edit and Preference, then go to the Technical Drawing Settings and change the default template here. For this tutorial, I select the template created before. Then click Open to continue. Apply it and then OK to finish it. Next, let me create a new page. Then you will see the template is the one that I chose. And you can select the page to delete it. For the new page, you can also go to create a new page from the template. And then select the one that you prefer for this project. Okay, let's continue. For the next, we are going to create a projection of this body. Make sure to select the body and then go to the new views. Then you will see the main view of this body. Next, let's add other views for the projection, and then you can move the cursor to the views and then drag it to the position that you prefer. Here we can modify the distance between the views. We can try 20 on the X and the Y directions. Then click to preview. And for the scale, here we have 3 options. The default is the page 1 and the scale is 1. And you can try to use the automatical and it will adjust according to the page. Or you can go to the custom and modify the scale to 1.5, that is 3:2. Then click OK to finish it. Next, we are going to show the hidden line on the front view. Now move the cursor to the front view and select it. Then go to the hidden line remove parameters and check hard hidden. You need to redraw it to show the hard hidden line that identify the holes on the body. Next, we are going to add a dimension on the joints. Then go to Dimension. You can use the main dimension tool or go to the pull-down list to select the specific one. For this joint, we will add a length and a diameter, so I chose the dimension. We can add a dimension to the line. Zoom in to select the line, left click, and then move the cursor. Left click again to locate the dimension. Or you can add a dimension on 2 points. Select the first point and then the second one. Next, to move the cursor to the position that you prefer, and click to finish it. Let's continue to add other dimensions. Here I cannot select this point. I guess the dimension is on it. So for this released candidate, we need to double click on these points to select it. Then to the next one. Let's continue to add length on the front view. Next, we are going to add dimensions on the top view. And for the chamfer, you can add the horizontal and the vertical length on it. Next, let me show you another way for the chamfer. Go to lead line. Here we need to select the view firstly. So select the top view, then go to the leader line. Then pick points to draw the line. Here, just save the points and click OK to finish it. Next, let's add an annotation. Select it, and then drag the text to the position. Then double-click to modify it. For the chamfer, that is the C file, multiply 2, click OK. Let's continue to add a diameter on this hole. Here we can customize it, select it, or double-click it. Then we can modify the format. First, select the arbitrary. That means we can customize the format. Or you can select the arbitrary text and modify it. The diameter is 6 and multiply 2. Then click OK to finish it. Next, we are going to add dimensions on the left view. Press the D key to continue. Let's add a distance for the center of the hole and the width of the body, then the height, and the diameter of this hole. Double-click it. Okay, that's all for the dimension. Now we can move the position of the dimensions. If like this happen, you cannot select on the dimension. You can double-click and then to move it. Or you can go to the page, then the projection. Go to the view to select it. Then you can move it. If like this issue happen, you can redraw the drawing, then give it a try. Okay, next we will add a centerline for the holes. Select the circle, then go to the centerline. Select it. We can do the same on these two holes. That's all for the drawing. Next, we are going to add an isometric view of the body. We can go to the manager and double-click the projection. Then add the isometric view here. And I cancel it. Let me show you another way. Go to the active view. The feature is like a camera. Then it will add a shaded view of the body. Drag it to the position that you prefer. Then click OK to finish it. And that's all for this technical drawing. Next, we are going to export it. You can export it as a SVG or DXF file. Just select it and save it. Or you can go to File and export the PDF. Here I replace the former one. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for your watching and see you next time.